enough boxes, but then you realize you need more things to organize and just find things on TikTok, etc. So I've had so many hauls, and now that I have a big shipment all at once, I figured it's time to do a little unboxing. And also I just put on these Glamnetic glue-on nails that are supposed to last 2 weeks. I put them on 20 minutes ago, so this will be the perfect test to see if they can withstand all of this box opening. So up first, do not use the scissors. Get yourself a good box cutter to save yourself time. So I have unboxed a few of these, just some household items that I want to try out. These little organizers for your drawers, just to keep everything pristine. There are lights in the walk-in closet, but just these as spotlights to keep it even more bright and beautiful. And these are rechargeable, which is really nice. I've had ones in the kitchen before that are battery operated, but it's such a pain to then go and take the batteries out and like buy when you need a bunch of spotlights, and some of them take 3, 4, 5 plus batteries each. Okay, this contraption is a board folder, and it's just gonna make the t-shirts and long sleeves turtlenecks pristine in the box. I have those like clear buckets from Target, so very excited to see how this works. I used to work at Hollister and we would just have a flat board, so I've never tried anything with this full-on board. More of these clips to get your pants or strapless items onto hangers. Now these contraptions are for your hats, and you can just put it on top of a long hanger. Most likely want like a thicker wooden one, and it'll all hang down to see them versus just hidden in a bucket. So I think I'll mainly do that for like baseball caps and stuff. But I guess you could try it on sun hats and whatnot. Then also for the closet, we've got these like closet dividers that what you would see in a store. And they came with these little labels like days of the week, different clothing categories, and some blank ones where you can write your own. But then I found these that are so much cuter. It comes with 224 closet clothing and shoes script set. So I think, although some might be a little long, we'll see. But even though everything's like kind of sectioned off just to make it that much easier. And then another closet item, these are for your boots, your long boots, to clip them down and then hang them. And then unless they're like the nicer boots and you want to keep them up with the little insert on the inside. So excited to have those to see. We've got this hand wall foaming sensor, which I thought would just be nice, and it's a little more aesthetically pleasing than just a hand pump. And it even says how the temperature is in here, and for some reason it's showing a fingerprint. I don't know what that is, but we'll see. Okay, then for these bigger items in front of us, I'll pop up pictures or show a video when I've actually unboxed. This is a big ladder for the closet because everything here is meant for like an 8-foot giant. This is a magnetic whiteboard. This is a long mirror for the closet door. Oh, these little cute jars to put like coffee syrups and stuff in. So I'll be doing that. Some stools, I need to assemble them. But again, everything is so tall here, you need a stool. Then we've got, this is actually from Walmart, but it's a Dyson dupe. So excited to try this. And it also looks kind of confusing for like the curling part, so I'll definitely have to watch a video on that. All right, then we've got the men's dicky pants. Yeah, so not all of these are household. I'm forgetting what the number of them is, the trending one where you like fold it over. So these are 30 by 30, and then I ordered a white pair in another size. We'll see how they fit. I'm excited for that one. Oh, and then one that I'm actually really excited about, but it's a little smaller than what I thought, was this bigger one, is a chair. But I'm like, how does a chair fit in here? It's a kid's chair technically. Seashell shape. Oh my god, it's so small. Ah. Looks kind of like a dog bed. Well, let's just try and sit in it. Oh, it does spin though. Yeah, TBD. I thought it was like over $100. That'd be a little bigger, but kids are small. So for now, we can sit in the tulip while we unbox. All right, now let's start seeing the things I have not unboxed. Oh, we have finger condoms because I keep cutting myself everywhere and it actually really hurts, and then whenever I wash my hands all the time, just the band-aids fall off. We've got this, one of those selfie cameras that follow you and you can stick it to a tripod. I've seen some mixed reviews on all of these, so I just picked one with pretty good reviews, but we'll see how that actually turns out. Okay, so these are curtain tiebacks, but they were super cheap, but now I see why. They look kind of plasticky. We'll see. Otherwise, I might just use it as a hook. Oh, we've got more curtains. It's the same ones as those, but white. For the bedroom, I have tan, but the window's so long, I just needed some more. All right, then I also got the hooks in a different color. Ooh, these bronze ones look a little nicer, not as plasticky, so that's good. And then I just got another one of the gold. And then, let's see what's in here. All right, a pack of various just white over the door hooks. It was actually hard for me to find a listing where they weren't absurdly expensive to get more than one over the door hook for some reason. Just got a little vitamin case, a cute one. Oh, and then for that glass whiteboard that's black, I got these chalk markers. And read the reviews because some of the chalk marker reviews are actually permanent even though they're not, so they literally ruined people's whiteboards. So these say that they work on glass, mirrors, card, windows, and the mirror glass whiteboard. A little $20 faux Bottega bag. It actually doesn't smell disgusting. It's actually really soft. Ooh, I forgot I got that. Oh, that's just a return from my selling items. All right, we have got here these cute little containers to put food in the fridge. Oh. So there's a bunch of them in there, but they're all different sizes. And then some have the little bottom drainage parts for like fruit and veggies if you are trying to keep it fresher or washing it. And then it has this nice little lock at the top. So I'm gonna do a little fruit and veggie haul and clean these in and put those in. Excited for those. Oh, and this I assembled yesterday, but it's just a little side table to go in the closet. It will go on the side and I'm gonna put like my jewelry and stuff on there. Okay, then some more of those clothing organizers, but these are a little bit bigger. So because I was stacking up my sweaters, I figured these could help keep them compact, but TBD how well they will work, as they just seem like there's no like foundation to them, but we'll see. Oh, they're a little bigger. Oh, they're way bigger. Oh, there are some small ones. So I got some different sized, that's a weird thing, spatulas, just for the frother to get the extra little foam out. Before I had these mini ones, but I wanted some that looked cuter. So I really like all of the little aqua on there. And I guess this would be good for like a jar scoop. Oh, these I'm excited to try actually. It's these hanging moisture bags because of the closet being right like attached to the bathroom. Is people say that like your closet can get kind of like steamy and stuff, and then to also put one in the workout room closet, and the bag will literally fill with water. It's got like this like salt moisture absorber stuff in it, so it'll be cool to see it work and then actually like fill up and see what it's protecting in a sense. Okay, we got decaf Nespresso because I've really been taken down the caffeine and needing to adjust this. There's so many mixed reviews, and I don't know if people are just coffee snobs, but we got the decaf, so I'll try that one. Okay, and then these are just glass bowls. Just for like fruits and veggies and stuff, like a little, I wanted to get more matcha bowls, but I don't think these are deep enough, just because it's like 20 bucks a piece for one matcha bowl, whereas this is, I think it was $20 for 12. So, much better deal. But yes, just these cute little ones that got a little like design on them. We got another one. Oh, and then I wanted another, I think this one's waterproof. Yeah, another waterproof speaker. I have one for the shower that has like the little sticky thing on it, but it always falls down. And these little JBL ones were on sale. There was some cuter looking one, but it had really bad reviews, but JBL is usually a really good brand. So excited to try this. And then the last thing, not too exciting, but behind me I got a drawing rack from Target. I'm kind of surprised that they ship these because it's just so ginormous. And then let's just open up the glass whiteboard because I am intrigued as to what that looks like. And to make sure that it's not broken. Always the scary thing with mirrors. Oh, and then I also got, I'll show these, the matching side mirrors for the built-ins from Amazon. It's like this Kate and Laurel, I think the brand is. And it's like 100 to 140 a piece, which is really good for an anthro dupe. I've had so much styrofoam everywhere. Okay, moment of truth. Time to take this puppy out. And then you can mount it, but isn't this cool as like a, oh, daily calendar? I have one in the front that's clear, but I wanted a different one, and it looks so cool with the neon markers. Okay, I'll save the mirror for another time, and then let's just see how this ladder is supposed to be gold. There's some really cool gold ladders from like CB2 and stuff, but they are so expensive. Like just a footstool is like $75 for like a baby stool. Okay, so this one, oh, maybe I don't have to assemble it. Perfect, because we have other ladders and step stools and whatnot, but they are definitely all just like they look like they've been in a garage kind of thing. So this will be cute for the closet, and then it will just fold right up super thin. So I'll do a little updated closet tour later with this and the mirror and the table and everything finally hung up because I had to order 100 more hangers, and then everything will be good to go. So yes, this definitely looks like a child's chair, and we need to return this, but oh, here's the mom. Thank you so much for watching this Amazon haul, and we'll do another video of how it all looks together. Now the part that nobody talks about, it's fun to get packages and unbox, but now it's time to do the work and put them away. All right, we're on our way to see the apartment for the first time. We saw a different model that was like a corner diagonal. I'll pop up the floor plan. Totally different, but ours is only 20 square feet larger, so even though it's bigger, I don't really think it'll feel that much bigger. But the biggest thing is that the patio is in the actual common space versus before it was in the bedroom, so it made the bedroom seem so much bigger because there's just this huge wall of windows with the patio, which is nice. But I think this will be better because it's on the more residential side, and then also next to the dog park, so it'll be a lot quieter. The other one was on the street, and then as well as just having that patio part on the side, then we can actually use it when we have people over versus having people come in through the bedroom to go use it. Would be kind of weird, and there's carpet and stuff, so it could get dirty. But I've got my cute little Anthro earmuffs with the bedazzled headband part and nice eye bags, and then my Anthro scarf and leather jacket. So let's go and see. Dark and spooky outside. Overall, this is super easy to do. I'm definitely going to also be adding feathers to the overalls and anything else I can think of, or just save it for another season as I did with those jean short feathers. But I highly recommend you guys crafting as well, and you don't even need to know how to sew. Find something on Pinterest, or even for your dog, for your kids, like those cute little Real Housewives, the super feathery dog sweater. Just anything that you could think of, add it to shoes, headband, earrings. So many options with the feathers. But thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. I hope I've inspired you to get those creative thoughts going and make something yourself with the feathers. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see the final little videos of this look, and more to come.